Where is、where are 用邊個先啱咧？嗱，食飯嘅時候，一個細路仔唔聽話，阿媽睇住佢，你禮貌咧？英文好可能就係呢句喎 ，Where's your manners？ 講得好快嘅 ，manners 有 s 嘅，講禮貌，即係 plural number 啦。本來咧就應該話 Where are your manners 先至啱嘅，呢個係肯定㗎啦。點解咁多西人話 Where's your manners 用個 where's 咧，用個單數嗰個咧？無非因為 where's 比較順口，所以佢哋咧就明知故犯啊。而家講 there is there are， 本來你可以講呢兩句嘅 ，an apple is there，two apples are there， 意思好明白啊。但係咁樣講話咧，太過生硬啦。我哋通常用個倒裝嘅句法講 there is an apple，there are two apples。用呢種句法咧，有兩件事先要注意嚇。is 同 are 咧又由後邊嗰個名詞控制嘅，所以經常用錯。第二件事咧，永遠唔好講 there has、there have， 用 has 同 have 咧，純粹係廣州話直譯過嚟嘅，錯晒。